Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Cricut Design Space how to slice. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Cricut app, and then once you are there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, here you'll be seeing the plus icon. Tap on that, and now what you need to do is click on shapes on bottom toolbar, and now all you gotta do is add a shape, and then if slicing text, click on text and then type your text and position it over to your shape. Then second is to overlap the objects, arrange the shapes or text so they overlap, and then click and drag to select both the shape and text. You can also hold to drag it, then click the slice button which will be at the bottom of the layers panel, and then all you gotta do now is tap on or click on slice. Then the design space will cut out overlapping parts. After slicing, design space creates multiple cut out pieces, drag them apart to see different layers, and delete any unwanted pieces. These are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful. Leave any questions down in the comment section below, and see you soon in the next video.